Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, and to the new ones, welcome. In today's video, I'm here to share with you a simple porridge which you will love. Okay, it is very healthy and absolutely delicious. I'm taking you straight to Jamaica. Let's make peanut porridge. This was absolutely delicious, and I love how creamy and flavorful it was. Let's start. To start with this, I have my peanut granite, anyhow you call this. Okay, we are going to ensure that it is well cleaned before we use it for our recipe. We are going to enjoy this and we don't want any problem after that, so I'll wash it very well and then we continue. So with this recipe we use fresh peanut, not roasted peanut, fresh peanut. That will give you that creamy porridge we are looking for. The peanut is not dirty, but we have to clean it very well, even though we harvested it from our own garden, but we have to do so. Okay, yeah. So after that, I will just pour everything in my blender and then the process continues. If you are new here, please, we share easy recipes, and I'll be very happy if you subscribe to the channel or the page. And if you are old here and you haven't subscribed or followed yet, can you do so for me? It is absolutely free. This is Lena, and welcome once again to my kitchen. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'll go ahead and then add my oats. So the oats is a cup and the peanut as well. Okay, so those are the two ingredients we have so far. I will then go ahead and then add my milk. You can actually use any milk of choice, okay, but the recipe requires coconut milk and then the whole milk. I am going to use the whole milk for today, and the coconut milk I'm not going to add that to it. Okay, but if you add that, oh my goodness, it makes it very flavorful as well. But we will use that for different recipe. That is just by the way. I will cover everything and then we are good to go. So make sure you blend this very smooth. Okay, very smooth, and the milk should be enough so that when you are blending it won't become very thick. You will understand it as we proceed. So I'll take you straight to the blending area to go and blend this, and then we can continue. So now we will start with this. Please, if you want our recipes in Tree language, okay, please do well to follow us on YouTube at Recipe Goddess. We have started uploading videos there, and we do once in a week, which you will fall in love with our videos. If you want short videos, please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and our YouTube Shorts. You will love them as well. They are detailed recipes, but the duration is a minute or less than a minute, which you will like them. Now this is how it looks. Should your blender is not that good, even though peanuts are not very hard or tough, okay, you can just go ahead and then soak it before you go ahead and blend your ingredients. So I have with me here my water, okay, that is clean one, and I've poured that in the cooking pot. I'm outside, and should you see any flies around, oh my goodness, we are in the season, so just forget about that. Okay, they are not correct. Forget about them. Yeah, now I've added my cinnamon stick for that flavorful or that flavor, okay, because I already told you that we are going to disturb our neighbors with flavors, so that is what we are doing right now. Now our water has boiled very well, and we are pouring our ingredients that we blended earlier, which was the peanut, the oats, and then the milk. When you are pouring that, you ensure you stir at the same time, okay, because we don't want it to be lumpy. So just go ahead, give it a stir like how you are seeing on the screen. Okay, now I realized that I had some still in the blender, so I decided to add that to it. Focus on it, do not leave it, okay, so that after that, if you leave it, by the time you will come, it may turn into something, maybe a swallow. Okay, so just allow it to be on fire, and then you'll be stirring it as well. When it's time for you to leave it on fire, I'll let you know. Okay, yes. And at this moment, the place smells very good because of the cinnamon, and I love this. I have another way I prepared this, which I will be sharing with you very soon. The first time that I tried this, I told my husband that I have something that I want him to try, and it was like, me, I won't eat anything though. Guys, is it the day that I prepared puff puff without yeast? Since that time, oh my goodness, if I want to try anything new, my husband will be like, take me out, I'm not going to try anything because I don't trust you. That puff puff was hard, oh my goodness. That's just by the way. Yeah, so but trust me, it is good. Okay, this is the second time I'm doing this. It is so good. Give it a stir, and then I'll show you the next step. We left this on fire to boil very well. Now I've added my vanilla. Okay, we are going to introduce some flavors and some things to the porridge, which will add some taste and flavor to it. Right now I have to make sure I prepare something that will win him back. Yes, so I've added my nutmeg. Okay, you can omit the nutmeg and use cinnamon. You can use the two as well. Yeah, so I need to keep on trying new things that are not new recipes that are not Ghanaian recipes, so that I will just give it to him. Those that are very nice, give it to him so that I can win his trust again, because right now if it is not the Ghana recipes, forget about it. On Jimmy now I've added my condensed milk for some taste. Okay, yes, I'll be adding my sugar as well. I just want some more sweetness in there. I don't like sugar, so I added about a tablespoon of condensed milk. The condensed milk I added contains less, okay, it contains less sugar. Yes, it is not that sweet. I bought it purposely for condensed milk candy. Yes, it is not very sweet. So now I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of brown sugar, yes, to that, and then I will give it a stir. You can use only the condensed milk or just the sugar. You can as well use your date, and that will be okay. You just add it to the things we blended, and then you are good to go. Yes, when it comes to the date. So now I will just go ahead and then add my next ingredient. But before that, I'm just going to leave this on fire for some time. Okay, we just want it to cook very well. Remember, we used fresh peanuts, so please make sure you cook it very well. I can't bring you bathroom papers, toilet rolls. I can't bring you that, so be very careful. Boil it very well. It's fresh peanut that we are talking about here, so allow it to be on fire, not 5 minutes. For me, I cooked it about 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes I'll get back to you very soon. Just look at how creamy it looks. Absolutely creamy and flavorful. It has been on fire for about 20 to 30 minutes and it is ready. It looks absolutely creamy. Please do not make it very thick because when it cools down, it will become very, very thick, okay, because of the oat. So allow it to be a bit runny like this and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I care about you. I love you. Love yourself first. Do good. And I'll be very grateful if you share our videos to others. Try this and let me know how you enjoyed it because you will love it, okay? It has this flavor and taste. See you in the next video. Bye bye.